Using guide. The fridge is easy to carry with the lifting handle. Press and hold the door handle to open the door. The fridge is equipped with two removable shelves and two removable door pockets. There are the AC and DC power cables inside. For household usage, please plug the AC power cable into the AC inlet port of the machine. Slide the power switch to the cool mode. The indicator lights green, meaning the machine starts to cool. The unit can cool to 32 to 40 Fahrenheit degrees below the ambient temperature, and the temperature will be reached within 1 to 2 hours after switching to the cool mode. The fridge is suitable for storing the pre-cooled beverages, snacks, or beauty products. For mobile usage, firstly plug the DC power cable into the DC plug-in port. Then, after ensuring the vehicle's motor is turned on, plug the DC power cable into the 12 volts DC outlet.